Welcome to another video, welcome to the channel, and it's Sunday morning, 24th of November 2024, a balmy 12 degrees Celsius. We're here in Longton and we're going to watch the 46th Toy Run here in Stoke-on-Trent. Should be amazing. It's the Star Bikers and they're going to start from the Bet365 Stadium, drive all around the city here, and they end up at the King's Hall for a big party and the Toy Run. So what's it all about? Yeah, they're going to drive through streets of Stoke-on-Trent, and there are collection points for different toys. Should be really good. Now we've also got Storm Bert up there, which is just finishing off a little bit. Left us with a few windy conditions, a lot of rain this morning, but hopefully it's dry at the moment. It's going to stay off. It's going to be fabulous. We'll tell you a little bit more in the comments rolling along here what this is all about, but we're going to see mopeds, motorbikes, and I guess they're going to be dressed very, very Christmassy. Going to be a lot of Santas on bikes today, so that should be really, really good. And looking at the history of this started in 1977. So if you're ready for it, grab your woolly hats, your umbrellas, your warm coats, sit down and enjoy. We're going to show you what this is all about today. If you're interested, Urban Media, which I'm putting the link up here, are doing drone footage throughout the city and capturing magnificent memories of this wonderful day. Check them out. And just look at the beautiful Christmas tree here in Longton. Merry Christmas, everyone. Right, just had a quick walk around Longton. It's now 5 to 11, so they're about to start off from Bet365. And we're going to stand, I think, right here in Times Square, Longton. We've got the railway bridge and we've got the town hall. Should be a good location. Changed my mind, just spoke to one of the marshals. I'm going to stand under the bridge and looking across at the town hall.
Close my eyes, 들려오는 바람의 노래에 귀 기울여봐.
6 minutes past 11. Now standing here, I can kind of realise why they call it Times Square. It's busy. It's the crossroads of Longton. Just amazing the amount of traffic that comes through Longton and Times Square. Anytime the marshals are going to block the road so the Star Bikers can get through. I don't really know my bike, so you guys are going to have to help me out in the comments. It's action! These are the lead bikes. I don't know about you, but I am super, super excited to watch the 46th Toy Run through Stoke-on-Trent. This is absolutely fabulous. Check out Santa there. There are some beautiful bikes. Wow. Just check out how everyone's dressed. They are coming coming through a lot quicker than what I was expecting. Look at that, check out Santa there, he's getting a fair speed. There's a lot of bikes. I like that one. Wow, check that one out. That's making a nice noise. I don't know if we can get a little bit closer here. Just absolutely awesome. They've got perfect weather. Nice bit of revving there. I think this is a much better position for you guys. He's got antlers on there. Again, I don't know anything about bikes, so let me know in the comments what you're seeing here. Here's Santa. There's Santa. There is a lot of bikes. This is just absolutely fantastic. A lot of noise. So I'm guessing these people have come from all over Stoke-on-Trent and all over the country probably, so beginning to feel a lot like Christmas. Wow, the Grinch. Check the Grinch out. Oh, look at this. I like this one. That is mega. So apparently there's a lot less bikes today due to the weather last night of getting to Stoke. And all these are going to end up at the King's Hall in Stoke as they make their way through the city. Oh, look at the Santa. Check this one out. Nice. Look at that. Hope you're enjoying the 46th Star Bikers charity event of Stoke-on-Trent. The Toy Run. All for charity. This is just fabulous, isn't it? Look at that. I like that one. Wow. Nice. And again, if you want to see from above the sky, Urban Media guys, check them out. They're going to be doing some fabulous views from the drones. Noisy bike here. Wow, check this one out. Look at that. Wow. I can't believe how many there are. Such great fun. And there we go, that is the end of the Star Bikers. I absolutely loved it. Right, guys, I'm sure you've enjoyed that video, and of course you know what's coming next. Give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, subscribe to the channel. Capturing moments, creating memories is what we do. That's what we've done for you today. See you on the next video.